resides one for famous and golden influencer to Bangladesh. My club's name is KD150. Today our topic is Thumbelina dialogue, and she is my partner.
Hello everyone, my name is Tahsin Abha. I am from English language Bangladesh, but my batch number is also K3. So let's begin.
Hi Nabiha, how are you?
I am fine, and how are you?
I'm also fine. Can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
What is the last story that you have read?
The last story I have read is Thumbelina.
What happened in the story?
In the story, there was a woman who didn't have any children, but she wanted a child.
What happened next?
An old woman came and gave her a seed. When the flower bloomed, a little girl came out, and the woman named her Thumbelina.
Oh, that's interesting. What happened next?
Next, when she was playing, a toad took her and put her on a lily pad. A butterfly rescued her to a sunny land.
What happened next?
Winter came and everybody left. A mouse took her in. Then a mole wanted to marry her, but she refused.
Then
an injured swallow came and she helped the swallow. The swallow took her to the land of flower peoples. There the prince proposed to her and they got married and lived happily ever after. And that was the end of the story.
Thank you for your time.
Bye bye.
Thank you for listening to us. Bye bye.